Warga Patisi TV. Ka jingpenkut ya kaleniam Durga Puja haka shnong Nartiang West Giant Hills District ka jaka kabala nyau kentang da Riewngeit Hindu kabala tip kum ka Nartiang Shakti Pit kala long kaba ipu iping da ka jesem benta jong kispangut Riewngeit na kaleng ka district bat kumju Nabar ka Jylla Meghalaya. Ya kanikaleniam Durga Puja lasdang na mandir hakaba upandit Oni Maskut Deshmukh ulara marway ya kabalay Durga kabala shna hakadur jong ka pasyurkad nadu na mandir syadu kawa mentang ringkat ka jingasen ranlang da udoloy ki pator ki lingdo bat ki katu kaningot ki Riewngeit Hindu lanno ki kenthai. Hakni kasi la pendap ru ya kaleniam syat masti da udoloy jong ka ilaka Nartiang uba salong lamari ringkat ki pator bat ki lingdo jong ka ilaka. Syuaban pengam ya kablay Durga kala don syua kaleniam harut kawa kabalakinya da ublang kinsai bat hadian kata lapalat pat saya kaparu.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respiratory Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.